Ever wondered what makes certain businesses stand out in the ever-evolving digital landscape? What gives them the edge to conquer the complexities of the online world and emerge victorious? The secret lies in robust, result-oriented digital marketing. But what exactly defines effective digital marketing? That's where we come into the picture. We invite you to a realm where digital marketing synergizes with innovation and strategic thinking. Our company serves as a lighthouse amidst the vast ocean of digital marketing, boasting a proven track record of transforming businesses through meticulously designed marketing strategies. Our achievements are not just noteworthy, they are game changers. We have played a pivotal role in enhancing businesses' online visibility by an extraordinary average of 70%, leading to significant boosts in lead generation and conversion rates. We've metamorphosed emerging startups into industry leaders and turned struggling ventures into thriving, profit-making powerhouses. One such success story that echoes our expertise involves a small retail business that was on the verge of shutting down. Our targeted digital marketing strategies injected a new lease of life into this business, transforming it into a prosperous enterprise with a powerful online presence and skyrocketing sales. We provide an array of services ranging from SEO optimization to content creation, from managing social media to PPC advertising. However, we offer more than just services, we offer solutions. We tackle the common challenges encountered by businesses in the digital landscape, such as limited visibility, inadequate customer engagement, and ineffective marketing strategies. What distinguishes us from the rest is our unwavering dedication towards understanding your business. We discard the generic one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, we customize our strategies to cater to your specific needs, ensuring that every dollar you invest yields the maximum possible return. Visualize the joy of witnessing your business grow exponentially, of seeing your online presence solidify, and of watching your sales figures soar. That's the transformation we promise. Are you prepared to embark on this transformative journey? It's time to level up your digital marketing game. Get in touch with us today for a complimentary consultation. Click the link in the description below. Your journey towards digital success begins now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay abreast with the latest digital marketing trends and strategies. Let's undertake this journey to digital success together. Stay tuned for our next video where we delve deeper into the intricacies of digital marketing, offering insights and tips to help your business thrive in the digital world. Your success is our success, and together, we can conquer the digital landscape.